How to make and create a good video with Canva. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a good video with Canva fast and easy. So all what you have to do is go to Canva app like this, and then go to those go here down below on this icon and go down until you find the video option. Click on video and you will find some templates right here. As you can see, there is many templates. Here you go. Now choose any template from here. For example, I'm going to choose this one and click on it, and here you go. Now you can edit it as you want from here. For example, how to media or any text you want. Financial wall, the name of our channel, make it like this, and then as you can see, it's easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe.